Daily Tips channel.
Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope you all doing well. Do you want to earn flat 500 rupees just by playing a simple game? Yes, you heard it right. Just by paying a game you can earn it. Google Pay brought back the big loot offer known as Tis Shots, in which you can earn up to 650 rupees. Before to know more details about this offers, please support me by subscribing to my channel and clicking on bell icon so that you will get instant notification of all my future posts. Big loot from Google Pay, up to 650 rupees cashback. Tis Shots offer back again. Get minimum 510 rupees per account by just hitting more sixes in this offer. This is all users offer. To get this minimum 510 rupees per account, you must be among the top 1000 players with maximum sixes at the end of each week. On hitting 6 sixes, you will get 10 to 50 rupees cashback or cashback voucher. On hitting 20 sixes, you will get 20 to 100 rupees cashback or cashback voucher. And top 1000 users every week will get flat 500 rupees cashback. Last week of this season's Tis Shots offer ends on 4th April 2024. In this game, you just need to connect the ball to sixes. You just need to tap on the screen after ball released from bowler. If you unable to tap in time, then it will hit the stumps directly and you will end the game. You need to play very carefully in this game. Only sixes will count in this offer. You will get flat 500 rupees cashback if you are in top 1000 players of the week. Like this, connect the ball to sixes with timing to score more sixes. More sixes you score, more chances are there of to win flat 500 rupees cashback. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please support me by subscribing now. Before starting the offer, collect boosters so that you will get extra chances if you got out. With this booster you can add extra sixes which you scored to your first sixes. You will get boosters by doing transactions on Google Pay. This week offer ends on 4th April 2024 11:59 p.m. and you will get 500 rupees scratch card on 5th April 2024 around morning 6 a.m. if you are among top 1000. So start playing the game and score as many sixes as you can hit and win flat 500 rupees cashback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon. Don't forget to like, comment and share.